What if you could live to 100 and still feel strong, happy, and full of life? Around the world, there are people who do just that. They're called centenarians, men and women who live past 100. But what's their secret? What's happening inside their bodies that helps them stay healthy for so long? Longevity isn't about luck. It's a combination of genes, environment, and daily habits. Our bodies are built to repair themselves, but how well we age depends on how we treat them. Centenarians have something in common. Their biological systems work efficiently, their hearts stay strong, their brains active, and their immune systems resilient because of how they live, not just what they inherit. Your body is a self-healing machine. Every day, cells repair DNA damage, replace old tissues, and fight inflammation, processes that keep you young from the inside. But with age, these repair systems slow down. The key to longevity is keeping them active, and centenarians do that naturally through lifestyle. 1. Simple, balanced diet. Most centenarians eat mostly plants, vegetables, fruits, beans, whole grains, and very little processed food. In places like Okinawa, Japan, people stop eating when they're 80% full, giving their digestive system a break and preventing inflammation. 2. Movement, not exercise. They don't always go to the gym. They move naturally throughout the day. Gardening, walking, climbing hills, all of these keep their hearts strong and joints flexible. 3. Rest and stress control. Centenarians sleep deeply, take naps, and have calm daily rhythms. Low stress keeps hormones like cortisol in check, protecting the heart and brain. 4. Purpose and positivity. Having a reason to get up every morning, whether it's family, faith, or community, gives their lives emotional strength. Positive emotions release healthy brain chemicals that reduce disease risk. 5. Strong social connections. They stay connected. Family dinners, friends, and community gatherings keep them emotionally supported, which can literally add years to your life. Science shows that healthy aging isn't about avoiding death, it's about extending vitality. You don't just live longer, you live better. Centenarians remind us that health isn't built in a day, it's shaped by small, consistent choices made over a lifetime. So if you want to live longer and stronger, start today. Eat mindfully, move daily, rest deeply, and stay kind to yourself and others. Longevity isn't about reaching 100, it's about feeling alive at every age. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more science and wellness made simple.